It's been said that perfection is unattainable, that old dogs can't learn new tricks. But those aren't the words of the hungry few who push the line from impossible to possible. The innovators and the groundbreakers. The ones who don't take no for an answer. Those who don't ask why, but why not? To them, words are cheap. They say you shouldn't reinvent the wheel, but that won't stop us from trying. Introducing the Stache IWB, the most technologically advanced modular holster system ever conceived. A meticulously engineered piece of gear, designed never to be seen. With the optimal combination of comfort, functionality, and rigidity, this top-of-the-line holster provides peak modularity without sacrificing performance. Scalable from base to premium, painstakingly designed to fit your needs and your mission. From the range to the streets, you need to be confident in your gear's ability to allow your training to do its job, unimpeded by equipment that doesn't suit your specific needs. A holster designed to scale with you for however your needs evolve, making you adaptable for every environment and situation you encounter. Concealed carry should be a lifestyle, not just an option, and your pick in concealable equipment should provide reliability that you can count on, where you need it, when you need it, and how you need it. Made by concealed carriers, for concealed carriers. The Stache IWB holster system, the ultimate solution for everyday carry. If you shouldn't reinvent the wheel, design a better one.